Let's create this 3D model in Catia V5. Catia V5 already opened it, so let's start part design. Click on start, mechanical design, part design. I'm naming this one as 3D underscore CAD underscore 1. Okay, let me change the view, this view to isometric. Okay, there are multiple ways to create this one. Okay, so let's try to create this model. So the total length from this edge to center is 140, and this from this height is 30, and then 60 mm radius, sorry, diameter of outer circle. Inner circle has a 25 diameter, the whole. Okay, I'm just going to take ZX plane, go to sketch, creating a rectangle from the origin, then a circle. So based on the model, I am considering the circle is tangent to this line. So yeah, let's delete this one. You can extend this one. Okay, and another circle with the same center. My mistake. Escape. Okay, we can constrain, double click to use multiple times. If you just click on that, you can only use for single time. So that edge to center 140. Okay, see, double click so that we can use the same option for multiple times. T5, then quick trim. Okay, click on select. If you can't find the quick trim, just click on so go to this drop down arrow, so click on that. So these are the trim options. So in this is the quick trim. Exit the sketch, pad. So the total is 40 mm thick, from center this side 20 and then that side 20 mm, and then I'm going to mirror the extension, so 20 total 40. Then again there is another plank or plate with 12 mm thickness over here, 50 mm width, and then total length is 90. Sketch, selecting this face as a plane. Okay, so for this case I'm going with the centered rectangle. See, centered rectangle. So center has to be on the horizontal line. Vertical axis and then this line are coincidence. Constraint definition, and after selecting the both like vertical axis and the edge, the line, then click on the constraint definition, then again constraints, double click, the length is 90, width is 50, exit the sketch, Okay, the thickness is 12. Pad again, so instead of 20 change it to 12. Okay, so here I have a 4 chamfers with 10 mm on 45 degrees chamfer. Let me change the shade to hidden also. Okay, so the this edge, this one, and then this one. So length is 10. That's it. Again, changing shadows to just shading. We have to remove this part and then again another part like these two. For that, let's take XY as a plane. Go to sketch. So this is from the center is from 25 mm from this edge to center and then this edge to center. The radius is 5. I'm going with the circle, a line, we can connect them. So these two, tangents, same, these two tangent. To select multiple in profiles or multiple lines or multiple drawing curves, you have to use a control. These two coincident. Again, constraint from this edge to center it's 25. From this edge to center 25. Okay, going for a trim. Then again constraint, the radius is 5. And let's mirror this, selecting all curves. After that, click on the mirror icon, select the center reference, like the horizontal line is the reference for the in this case. And again rectangle, double click on the rectangle and just checking just randomly from this edge to this edge it's 12.5. okay, length is from this edge to this here it's 95. Constraint from here to here that's 95. Okay, from the here to here it's 12.5. this edge and here it's coincidence. So this is circle, you can't coincident this with this one. So for that we can use this, yeah, so here we can use silhouette edges, 3D project silhouette edges. Okay, see, so I'm just deleting this one and then converting this edge to constraint construction line and then selecting both of them and then making them coincidence. Again select the rectangle, mirror, horizontal, exit the sketch, pocket. So instead of 12 I'm taking up to last, so it's through. That's it. Okay.